Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for crypto trading. First, create a free TradingView account to personalize your experience and save all your settings. Then, connect your preferred crypto exchange directly to the platform. This integration allows you to execute trades seamlessly. Finally, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the intuitive user interface, ensuring you know where all the essential features are located. Now let's dive into the charts. Begin by selecting your desired cryptocurrency pair, such as Bitcoin versus the US dollar, from the search bar. Next, choose your preferred chart type. Candlesticks are popular for detailed price action. You can also adjust the time frame from 1 minute to 1 month to observe market trends across different periods. This flexibility helps you gain a comprehensive view. TradingView offers powerful tools to enhance your analysis. Explore the vast library of technical indicators, like the Moving Average Convergence Divergence or Relative Strength Index, to spot potential trends. Use the drawing tools to mark trend lines, support, and resistance levels directly on your chart. Additionally, set custom price alerts to notify you when a cryptocurrency reaches a specific value, so you never miss an opportunity. Finally, let's talk about executing trades. If you've connected your exchange, you can place buy or sell orders directly from the TradingView chart interface. Monitor your open positions and any pending orders with ease, making adjustments as needed. Regularly review your trading history to understand your performance and refine your strategies. This integrated approach streamlines your entire crypto trading workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.